If your 1997 Kia Sportage is sitting dead in the driveway, don't panic. Most of these issues are DIY friendly. Statistically, over 60% of no-start issues on this platform come down to a weak battery or corroded terminals. Let's walk through a systematic diagnosis to find exactly where the power is getting lost. Start with the basics by checking your battery voltage and listening for the fuel pump to prime when you turn the key. The EGI main relay is a notorious failure point on this specific model year, often cutting power to the computer. If it cranks but won't fire, a faulty crank position sensor is likely preventing the ignition system from sparking. Most electrical relays are easy DIY swaps, but a dead fuel pump usually requires dropping the tank at a shop. Repair costs vary widely, ranging from a $25 relay to over $400 for fuel system work. Use an inline spark tester to confirm if the ignition coils are actually sending power to your spark plugs. Grab a 10mm socket and a multimeter. Those two tools will solve 90% of these Kia issues. Always remember that a loose ground wire can mimic a total computer failure, so check your connections first. Start with the main relay and work your way down. You'll have that Sportage running again in no time.